This is Red Dog Tools. I'm Dave, and we do vehicle-specific toolkits. Everything you need for brakes, suspension, steering, and drivetrain. And we've got the brand new Toyota, the new generation of Toyotas, the 4Runner, the Tacoma, and the Land Cruisers and the Lexus. This kit will do brakes, suspension, steering, and drivetrain. This is a gear wrench kit. We do 2 brands. But the key is to go bumper to bumper and make sure that you have a socket where you need a socket and a wrench where you need a wrench. And this is not to replace all of your tools. This is to get you home. So you don't want to take your whole shop with you when you go out overlanding or adventuring or wheeling. You just need to take the stuff that will help you get home. So that's what we do. Too many people bring too much stuff. And the idea here is put the stuff you need in your rig and leave it there. So it's always there. You're always prepared. And you don't have to worry that you don't have the right stuff and start throwing extra stuff in your vehicle. We go to the detail of getting, your axle hub nut. This is the axle hub nut that you need for your new Toyota. We do Toyotas. We also do Jeeps and Broncos, side-by-sides, Sprinter vans, and other vans. We're just wanting to make sure you get home. If you want to learn more, you can go to reddogtools.com and check out and see if we've got your vehicle listed. If not, there's a form you can fill out and request, and we can go out and do the research.